Chief Secretary ka Jylla ba DP walang hakasing sajan ulaong baki election kaya seriem Thik kum ka Phutbol hakajing don Khubor penyat berkajing but perking ki kendon balabu. Ya kani ulakran hakajing elekai paralok bala penlong da ka office terekam Chief Election Officer ka Meghalaya hapadeng katanat election bat ka Shillong Press Club. Hakani kasni rayo ru ya kajingkran na DGP ka Jylla Dr. LR Bishnoi bat kumju babu CEO BDR Tiwari nalor returning officer ka Shillong bat kiwe. Kani ka jingale kai ka long ru kumshi benta ban penpriang ya ka Khubor na ka benta kait. Kani ka election MP ka ban long haka khat khandai tarik mentau banai.
Of the youths to ensure that they are aware, they are engaged in the process of elections, and also to spread the awareness and ensure that fellow citizens come out to vote on the 19th of April 2024. As you're aware, the voting percentage in 2019 elections for Shillong Parliamentary Constituency was around 65% only, and for Parliamentary Constituency of Tura it was about 81%. So we need to be more active this side, that is in the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, so that more voters come and vote on the 19th. And this is one of the exercises that we are trying to engage so that people become more aware. And I request all of you to spread this news around that it is important to vote as mandated by Election Commission, vote for sure. It's interesting that we are starting this football match today because the rules of the game in both election and football are very similar. In football, you have the referee. In election, you have Mr. Tiwari. Both of them are going to conduct the match and the election process effectively, I'm sure. And in Tiwari, we have the model code of conduct. In the referee, we have the rules of the game. They are all very similar. We have to ensure free, fair, peaceful elections. We have to ensure also free, fair, and peaceful football match. We have in the football match warning by the referee. The CEO of the election also can issue warnings to the political parties and the candidates. You have a yellow card which is given to the referee. Mr. Tiwari can call them to his office and issue them a greater warning like a yellow card. Red card is given in the match. Red card is seldom given in an election, but it is given sometimes, but not by Mr. Tiwari. The red card is given by the High Court when the candidate is disqualified. So it's very, very similar, football and elections. And I'm sure that by engaging in this match, you'll all remember to carry forward the spirit of the game, that is to play it fairly, to play it peacefully, and to ensure inducement-free elections. Like we have in the elections, they're all very, very concerned to ensure assured minimum facilities at the polling station, so that we have proper electricity, proper water, proper furniture. Like this football match, the same thing is happening here. We have proper furniture, we have proper water, we have electricity supply. All the comforts of the football match, we have to extend it to the polling station. I'm sure that under the leadership of Mr. Tiwari, the Chief Electoral Officer, I'm sure that all that will be executed properly. And I'll end by telling you one incident which happened yesterday. Like in a football match, we are not supposed to give any inducement to the opposition. Even in elections, the same. Our DGP, Mr. Bishnoi, last night seized about 1.5 crores worth of drugs, which was meant to be supplied here and there. We don't know what for, but again, it's very, very similar. In fact, this year, the seizures has exceeded 36 crores from the time that we started till yesterday. 36 crores is a very, very high figure, and it's a new record. And I'm sure that the police will be doing great work to ensure that there is no inducement by any party for ensuring free and fair elections. With these few words, I thank all of you, and I wish both the teams, the election machinery as well as Shillong Press Club, to play a free, fair game.
It is highly appreciated to spread the message of democracy. We should all come forward and vote heavily to send a strong message across India that we are second to none as far as participation in democracy is concerned. This is wonderful initiative. Football is very popular here. By organizing a football friendly match, we are sending strong signals across the communities that administration is taking all initiative to strengthen the community outreach programs. But sometimes, as pointed out by Mr. Tiwari, the youth are not coming forward with enthusiasm to take part in elections, and they are more reluctant for voter ID, rather they are more happily going for the Instagram and other ID. So they should come forward and take part in democracy. All the points, initiatives taken by the administrations in the Meghalayas have been already pointed out. I am sure that the elections will be very free, fair and peaceful, and we are committed to ensure that. With these words, once again, congratulations to both the teams to have a lovely day. Thank you very much.
Election 11 consists of 18 players. We have Banari Maulong, Tosambha Marwen, Jeffrey Nangrum, David Khatpuri, Stephen Marwen, Ibanmi Lingdor, Wanshan Kharkrang, Dr. Clifford Wajri, Walambok Rinja, Hellingstein Cream, Lekini Suting, Goldstar Kharbudi, Ronnie Rapsang, Roland Hasentil, Fadi Marbanyang, Ban Rindathyang, Borsig Nongtri and Kenneth Thaba. From press 11, we have Alimon Suchen, Arsenius Saukne, Aldrich Wansweth, Ivan Lalu, Alkini Sungo, Bayane Nongklau, Balajit Marbanyang, Vitamin Kongstia, Basan Borbiang El Nonglai, Bhabok Lalu, D. Banjak Mukim, Donbok Long Kongwer, Deron Kharpuri, Daniel Shadap, Joe Thank You, Jonathan Adhar, Kenny Jirwa, Kit Borlang Khapngor, Kirshan Nonglat, Ken Mok.